If you've ever read Atomic Habits or honestly any book on habits, they basically compress into this very simple 3-step process, right? The first step is going to be the cue, which is what triggers the habit. The second thing is going to be the habit itself, right? In this case, that is obviously going to be the deep work. And then the third step is the reward. So you want to build out this mechanism yourself. And here's exactly how you do it. Number one, you need to have some kind of cue for getting into a deep work state. For me, it's typically having coffee and having a very specific type of music that is playing in my ears in a completely blacked out windowless room. I actually do have windows, but I literally put blackout tape. I don't even want light to distract me. So that is my cue. The habit is the deep work itself, but the difficult part where most people struggle is going to be the reward, because what most people try to do, which is like the entire wrong way to go about this, is they create a reward that is completely external, right? So perfect example is I used to do this thing in college, which was kind of stupid looking back, but it worked for a short period of time. If I was trying to study and I had this textbook to get to and I had to read like 50 pages, let's say, in a particular night, I would literally take candy and put candy like every 3 to 5 pages. So that as soon as I made some progress, I'd get like the actual dopamine triggered in my brain from having like a really satiating food. The problem with that is that it's something called an external mechanism of reward. It's something outside of myself that is making me more motivated to continue to read the book, right? So what you should do in your deep work is, instead of using external motivation and external rewards, you obviously want to go internal. And so your internal reward needs to be something that you actually have within your control.